How to see your TikTok comment history. So for today, you have to go directly to your TikTok application here. And of course, it will lead you directly to your homepage where you will see your For You page. Now, on the bottom part, you will see three icons there. You'll see the home, shop, they create new content, inbox, and then the profile. Tap on profile there, and it will directly lead you to your profile section. Now, here on your profile section, on the upper right, you will see the three dashed lines there, the burger sign. Tap on that, and these three options will actually come out. So what I want you to do next is tap on settings and privacy and go to the account section and tap on account. And you have five options there. Then here you will see download your data. So get a copy of your TikTok data. So this includes your comment history. Now here, um, the data may include your profile, your activity, of course, your comment history, your chat history, virtual items purchase history, like history, favorite history, and shopping activity, and of course, your app settings. So you have to select your format there. So it's very recommendable if you just use the TXT because it's easy to read. Then tap on request data, and as you can see here, if you go to download data here, your request is pending, so you have to wait on the TikTok community to go and attend your request. So basically, that is how you see your TikTok comment history, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.